What's up, cousins? I'm back with another nail look in this self-taught journey. This time, a classic everyday look. So to see my first attempt at French tips, stay tuned. I'm going to start by prepping my natural nails. I've watched dozens of videos on this subject and I still feel like I don't do it correctly, but basically I want to make sure that my cuticle area is clean. Next, I'm going to apply my tips. You absolutely can use dual forms, either the plastic or the stickers, but honestly, using tips is just so much easier for me. So I'm just gonna find my correct size in each tip and apply a small dab of glue to the center of the tip. Now I'm going to go in with my nail dehydrator and primer from Modelongs, using a very small amount only on my natural nail. Next, I go in with a base coat, again on my natural nails only, and I let it cure for 1 minute. Now it's time for step 1, and I am so sorry, y'all. My camera went dead as soon as I started this. But essentially, you want to build the flush nail portion of this look. This is typically created with a pink polygel or acrylic, and since I'm using polygel, obviously I'm going to be using the polygel today. This is also how you create your smile line. First, I take a small amount of the pink gel and I lay it right where I want my apex to be. And then I begin to smooth and pat it in place. When it comes to building your smile line, it's just going to take practice. Mine is nowhere near perfect. Once I've created all my nail beds, I cured for 2 minutes. The next step is probably going to be the easiest, because now you're just going to take your white polygel and fill around the nail bed any part of the nail that's left over after the initial step. First finish, they're gonna look pretty lumpy and bumpy, so I actually did a combination of electric and hand filing until I got my desired look. I applied a glossy top coat, and you're done. Not bad for my first attempt, but definitely room for improvement. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If this was your first time watching me, make sure you subscribe and become a cousin. Till next video, love y'all.